Google investigates ethical AI team member over handling of sensitive data. Google on Wednesday said it is investigating an ethical AI team member and has locked her corporate account after finding that thousands of files were shared with an external account. Margaret Mitchell has been used as automated script to find evidence of discriminatory treatment by Timnit Gebru, a former black employee in the AI team who has controversially fired Google to pay French publisher for news previews. Google on Thursday signed an agreement with a group of French publishers over copyright under which the US tech giant will pay news outlet for content online. If, in a first US Europe on principle agreed upon including criteria such as daily volume of publications, monthly internet traffic and contribution to a political and general information, the two said in a statement. Indian cryptocurrency startup BuyUcoins hacked. 3 lakh users' data leaked, according to the report. Data of nearly 3.25 lakh users of Nodia-based global cryptocurrency exchange and wallet, BuyUcoins has been leaked, according to an independent cyber security research Rajashekar Rajarai. The data leaked including bank details, PAN card number, passport number. The hack has reportedly been executed by hacking Shiny Hunters, which has been even recent data leak of Pixlr also. Cred's Kunal Shah invests in OnePlus co-founder Carl Spy new venture. Cred's founder Kunal Shah on Thursday said has invested in undisclosed sum in OnePlus. Co-founder Carl Spy new venture announced last month. Carl is working on new consumer electronic company that I am sure will be a disruptor in the tech industry, Shah said. Pai co-founded OnePlus in 2013 and left the company in October 2020. Musk responds to a game developer who sent him the same tweet for 154 days. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk responded to a game developer, Lumiro Wildemore, who tweeted him for 154 days in a row asking for permission to use the name and logo of his companies. You can steal the name and logo and we probably won't sue you, the billionaire said. Wildemore described the game as highly technically Mars survival simulator. SpaceX buys 2 offshore oil rigs to turn into a floating launch pads. According to the report, Elon Musk led SpaceX has purchased 2 former oil rigs of Texas coast to convert them into a spaceports for launching its Starship rockets. Reportedly NASA space flight. Both rigs have been officially named as Deimos and Phobos, which are the names of Mars moons, in June 2020. Musk tweeted about building floating spaceport for Mars, the moon and the hypersonic travel around the Earth. Facebook improved AI to provide more detailed photo description. Facebook has improved AI technology used to generate a caption for images visually impaired user. It now capable to recognize over 1200 concept descriptions, which people are framed, the number, people in the sense, a more detailed description for images that outline the positions, size and the nature objective will be provided. Twitter to resume blue tick verification on 22nd of January after 3 years pause. Twitter has said it will resume its blue tick verification program starting from January 22. After the microblogging platform paused it in November 2017, the platform will have a new self-serve application process available on the web in the app. Twitter will also use both automated and human reviews to handle these applications for verifications. New policy does not expand our ability to share the data with Facebook, WhatsApp. Facebook-owned messaging platform WhatsApp has its update terms and privacy policy does not expand our ability to share the data with Facebook. Our aim is to provide transparency and new options available to engage with business so that they can serve their customers and grow, it added. The Indian government has asked WhatsApp to withdraw the change to its privacy policy. LG CEO informs employees of shutting down smartphone unit. Report. LG CEO Neo Bongshik has informed all employees in the smartphone wing of company via email about its intention of shutting down the segment over the huge losses reported in Korea held. LG is also reporting to be relocating 60% of its staff in the segment of other business units with the company affiliates. So guys, that was tech news for the day. If you liked the video, then hit the subscribe button. Keep watching our channel for more interesting videos and share your views in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.